Who is it?
I'm someone that you know because I'm at your door.
Well, who are you? Johnny?
I am Johnny.
Come in, Johnny. Come up to my room, my pretty pink room. How do I get up to your room? Jump, duh. No, I can break my leg. Sorry. Hey, you're not Johnny. You're just a stupid lizard. I'm gonna go back to bed then. Well, that dirty little jerk. I'm gonna ruin his house. Quietly. To clean this all up. Well, I don't want to. I'm just gonna call a maid. Hello, maid. I would like you to clean my haunted house. Okay, bye. I'll just sit down. Who is it?
The maid.
Okay, come in.
La barchetta aveva un letto di fior, la bianca brera somiglia a una latara.
Where's my maid? I didn't even get to clean my house. Oh my gosh, I am not paying her that $350. Oh well.
Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep out. Got me singing like na 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 every day's like my iPod stuck on replay. Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep out. Got me singing like